Weight 105 pounds. Style sniper. Rank sergeant. Primary weapon. Name AGMVSR-10. Type bolt action single shot. Muzzle velocity 400, 450 FPS. Magazine 24 rounds. Weight 7 pounds. Ammo type seamless 0.20G or heavier. Secondary weapon. Name DEM-3 multi-shot triple burst airsoft sawed-off tactical shotgun operation pump action. Firing modes triple burst pump action. Muzzle velocity 330, 380 FPS. Magazine shotgun shell holds 30 rounds. Pop-up fixed. Weight 6 pounds. Ammo type 0.20 gram seamless BBS. Sigma. Height 5'2". Weight 130. Style assault. Rank private. Primary weapon. Name JGAK-47. Type electric automatic AEG. Firing modes semi-automatic and full automatic. Muzzle velocity 380, 410 FPS. Magazine 600 round high capacity. Gear wind up. Gearbox full metal. Weight 7.5 pounds. Ammo type seamless 0.20G or heavier. Game scenario. A piece of American military intel was aboard a Black Hawk. The Black Hawk was flying over insurgent airspace and was shot down. One American soldier survived the crash. Now has to fight off the insurgents and wait for evac to arrive to escort the intel to a safe location. Insurgents objectives. 1. Kill any surviving Americans. 2. Collect the intel. 3. When intel collected, set up a trap for the coming evac. Americans' objectives. 1. Protect the intel until evac arrives. Number 1 priority. 2. Kill any insurgent forces. 3. Survive until evac arrives.
Alright everyone, this is Glock's log here for fighting for America in this round. Al-Qaeda insurgents are trying to steal secret intel that I have kept. I've also laid out a trap for them. Hopefully this doesn't notice it. Tied onto the door. And I pull this and when he pushes it open, you won't notice it. So what I'm going to have to do is just get some leaves. Just leave that. Usually this is supposed to won't notice it. But the string coming from the door. Nope. Okay. Spread out. Tad. Right. That should be good. And he push open the door to launch it. So now the assault begins.
As Glock sets his trap and prepares, the insurgents' force is moving towards him.
Alright, I'm attacking, collecting some intel here. Keep you updated.
Alright, first starting on my patrol here, and 16 to be used. Right, so, right here on my first guard of patrol. Sure don't, shit. This is fired at by one of the insurgents. Hang on a second. Right. False in one. I'm gonna go up there by the fence. See if I can hold up there in a position to see if I can sneak up on him.
I'm moving up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go up there. Oh shit!
Got him!
Oh, hit.
Alright, yeah. Gun him down. Command, this is, Charlie, over.
Roger, Charlie. Go ahead, over.
I have eliminated all hostile Al-Qaeda threats. Nothing seems to be coming into this base. Military intel has been secured, ready for transport. How copy?
Roger, that's a good. I'll copy over.
Alright, block out.
Command out.